everyone. I'm Jayme Arthurs, State Resource Conservationist with the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service here in Delaware. I'm excited to be able to provide you with some information on a couple new conservation options here in Delaware for you to address resource concerns on your land, particularly related to soil health. The first new conservation option is soil testing. We've been doing soil testing for years to determine crop nutrient needs, but the purpose of this soil test is to determine what the soil health of the soils are on your land and how you can use the results of the test to help guide your management decisions in the future to improve your soil and ultimately your bottom line. The soil test can be done to measure one or many soil health indicators in your fields depending on your conservation objectives and resource concerns, including soil organic carbon, aggregate stability, soil respiration, active carbon, and bioavailable nitrogen. The soil samples can be taken by a crop consultant and in limited cases by NRCS or Conservation District field staff in your area. The soil can be collected before the growing season or after harvest, and the typical sampling area is 20 acres or less, but may be larger depending on soil type, topography, and cropping systems. The soil will be shipped to a soil lab approved to complete the soil health analysis, and the results will be used to help you determine what changes you would like to make in your management to improve the soil health in your fields. Some of these changes may include adding cover crops to your crop rotation, diversifying your current cover crop plantings, and or reducing or eliminating tillage operations on your fields where possible. The second new conservation option we have available in Delaware is soil carbon amendment. This is an interim conservation practice standard being tested in multiple states throughout the United States. This practice involves applying carbon-based amendments to your fields to increase soil carbon and improve the physical, chemical, and biological properties of your soil. Some of the soil carbon amendments that can be used include compost, biochar, carbon amendments such as wood chips, coal ash, or wood ash, and whole orchard recycling, where orchard trees are chipped and incorporated in the fields where they were grown. Whichever soil carbon amendment you choose, you must get a physical and chemical analysis of the amendment to be used, and you must account for the soil amendment in your nutrient management plan. In addition, long-term soil testing should be done to see if and how soil health is improving in the fields where the amendments were applied, and how you may want to adjust your management in the future. You can get more information on these and many other conservation practices on our electronic field office tech guide, or contact your local USDA Service Center for more information. Thank you.